All right, this is the Newport Beach houses right there. They got valet service right there. This is the Tequila and Tacos parking lot. Probably got about 50 parking slots here. Take you around. It's a building right here. Rooftop access. This is the location. Roof look like a little work. We'll take it around here.
We'll see if I got a table.
One level. I want to say it's another level, another floor. And then over here, you got slips. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 slips. 8 slips for boats. Next to the Newport Beach house. They do memberships over there, so we could do memberships over here as well.